What does pending mean on Snapchat? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you or I'll explain you what pending means on Snapchat or how you can get through it. Now, as its most basic, pending means that Snapchat knows you're trying to send a message but can't complete the request. Now, if you're trying to send a snap or a message to certain someone and it shows pending, it means that the message is not being delivered. It is on its way to being delivered, but Snapchat is not being able to do so. The most common reason for this is that the person you're trying to send a snap to doesn't have you added as a friend. By default, Snapchat will block any messages sent to you by a non-friend and it will give the sender the pending message. Now, if you try to send messages to someone who is not friend or who has not added you back on Snapchat, then it will show you the pending icon. Now, if you are sure that you are Snapchat friends with someone but you are still seeing the pending messages, now I don't have any pending messages here, but if I head into my gallery, I've just selected a picture here. Now you can see this pending here. Now, if you are sure that you are Snapchat friends with someone but you are still seeing this pending message, it might mean that they have unfriended you. You can check the profile. Now, to check the profile, all you want to do is open the Snapchat app. Now, if suppose this person, I want to check. Now, if this person has unfriended you, then you'll find the plus icon here and add friend option when you open the chat up. In some cases, it might just be a bug with a Snapchat. Now, in that case, you might want to reset your Snapchat or you might want to check your internet connection first. What you want to do is try switching between your network connections, and if this doesn't help, then try resetting the app. Now, to do so, scroll down your notification bar and on the top right corner of your screen, you'll find the settings option, and head into settings and scroll down below and head into apps. Once on apps, what you want to do is scroll down and search for Snapchat, or you can search from search bar. I'll just search it quickly here. And once on Snapchat, head into storage, and on storage what you want to do is clear your data. Now once you do this, it'll reset the app and try relogging your ID again, and it'll fix the issue. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.